without her doing Sankirtan, there was no question of Krishna seeing her extra endeavor. You can make all the extra endeavor in your own account, but if you don't extend yourself to help others by engaging them in the pursuit of binding Krishna, you may have your pursuit, but you have to engage others in helping you to pursue your goal. That is Sankirtan. Who can do it alone? In Kali Yuga, it is not within our means to do it alone. Therefore, Mahaprabhu, he doesn't just say Harer Naam, Harer Naam, Harer Naam, Eva Kevalam. He's not just saying just to chant, chant, chant. He says, Kali Yuga Dharma Harer Naam Sankirtan. Sankirtan means Sangakirtan, and it means Samyakirtan. Yes. Sankirtan Jagya is essential in Kali Yuga. There's no Sankirtan, your Japa can never go deep. So, making the extra endeavor, you have to do two types of extra endeavor. Extra endeavor in your Japa, and extra endeavor by engaging others also to come forward to assist in the group effort to appeal to Lord Krishna for his mercy, appeal to Radharani for her mercy, appeal to Nityai Gaura for their mercy. Then you can expect to get something. Without surrendering to the Sankirtan principle, you can hardly expect to get anything. That is called the independent angel. Don't try to be an independent angel. We do our japa so we have something to share with others in the form of Sankirtan. And we do Sankirtan so that there's hope that we may go deeper and deeper into our Japa Jagya. Sankirtan is like Rasaleela, and Japa is like Nikunja Seva. Both are required. Dono Jaya. Sankirtan, Rasaleela, and Japa, Nikunja Leela. By doing Sankirtan Jagya, Rasaleela, then Krishna's interest in you is increased. Just like when the Gopis, they were cooperating together to bring pleasure to Krishna by their Rasaleela, their group effort, cooperating together. When Krishna sees the cooperative spirit, that selfless service attitude, cooperative spirit, the endeavor to cooperate with others, that means we have to give up our egocentricity enough, give up our, independence enough to cooperate with others. And that takes a certain higher level of selflessness. When Krishna sees that higher level of selflessness, then he becomes inclined to more intimately associate with the Gopis. That whets his appetite for more advanced conjugal pastimes with the Gopis in the Nikunja. So these things you should try to understand deeply. And Krishna will help you. Krishna will reciprocate. But he wants to see that selfless Seva Bhagavan in the Sankirtan performance. Rasaleela. भगवान